Hello everyone, this is the overview video for day 14. Let's go ahead into our online distance learning and into our Unit 10 folder. So for day 14, we are going to move to talk about Bohr's atomic model. And so what you guys did was you looked at different elements and you looked at their different properties, and you probably looked at if they were a metal or a non-metal or anything like that, liquid, solid, all of those things. So we're going to look at the actual atomic structure that's going to be making up all of those elements that you were looking at. So just to give you a little bit of information, here's the history of the atom. There's been a lot of atomic models that you might have seen these before, and some of them probably stand out a little bit more to you. These guys here from the 1800s have, done different experiments to try to figure out what an atom actually looks like, because, we can't see it. It's very tiny. It makes up everything. It's those tiny little things that make up everything. So back then they didn't have the equipment to really look to see, what it actually looks like. And honestly, we really still don't know for sure now. It's a theory. A theory is something that is going to be expressed based upon data and based upon doing different experiments. So you can see they kind of build upon each other here. This one here kind of looks just like a solid circle. They didn't really know what was inside of it, but they knew that there was something going on. This model right here is still the circle, and you can see it. They know that now there's different charges. They know that there's positive and they know that there's negative charges. The nuclear model, you can see, well, they're starting to show that the positive charges are in the middle, which would be the nucleus. That's where the protons are. And you guys saw that the protons are the positively charged, and they realized that the electrons are around the outside. Those are the negative charges. Okay, but here they thought, all right, well, they're moving all around in different ways. This is the one that we're going to focus on right here, is Niels Bohr. And so still they know that the nucleus is in the middle, and that's where the protons are. And actually that's where the neutrons are as well. They're neutral, so they don't have a charge. And then your electrons are around the outside. So they are going to be floating around the outside in something called an orbital. So what you guys are going to do for day 14, so let's come on over here. You are going to, these are your notes, okay? There's no turn-in thing next to here, so you don't have to turn this in. But this is what's going to give you some information about the actual atomic model and give you a simulation of what it looks like. So this Google Doc right here has some guiding questions to go through the gizmo. You guys have done gizmos before. Here's the website. Here's the username and password. Again, you do not have to turn it in. This right here is a link to a video to give you some more information about elements and isotopes. There might be some questions down here that you will need from the gizmo and the video, so make sure that you watch this too. It just kind of capitalizes on everything that you learned up here. And then again, the puzzle piece assignment is the questions that you are going to answer. There are more than one try, so you can go through it, and if you don't like your score the first time, you can go through and you can try it again. I would suggest if you go through the first time and you don't like your score, go back and either take a look at the gizmo again, or watch the video if you didn't the first time, or maybe rewatch it, and then try it again. See ya!